Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the waste management, how we can manage the waste, right? And we are going to look into the waste management strategies that is done in Sharjah, right? And this is under your ISA project. Here we are trying to focus on, how we can reduce, reuse, and recycle the waste that we produce in our day-to-day life. Uh, the basic aim is just to reduce the pollution that we are causing with this waste, right? Whether it is a land pollution, air, or water pollution. So the basic is how we are managing the waste, how we can convert this waste into energy. So let's look into the video. After this video, we'll be giving you one form link, right? You have to submit that Google form. We'll be telling you about that Google form, and you all are requested to kindly look the video very carefully. We'll have a round of discussion also after this, right? So what we saw in the video, yes, Chetan, what we saw, yes.
And we saw about how Sarja it's trying to convert the waste products into a useful thing and can use this as energy to provide electricity to many houses and many other things. And they are planning to do this by the end of 2021.
Okay. So, what is important over here is we produce lots. There's a variety of ways that we produce day to day. Our food waste we produce. There's a waste material. The electronic waste, e-waste, is also increasing day by day. As a new technology comes, the old technology becomes waste for us. Say, for example, if you talk about the advancement in the mobile phones, right? Earlier, the mobile phones were of different, having different technology, was not that much advanced. Now, once we have the advanced mobile phones with us, those technology becomes waste for us. So, what we are doing is we are dumping it, you know, either in the dustbins or anywhere. We just put it on the land or in the water resource. So, what it is causing is it is increasing the pollution. There are many, I would say, toxic substances that are present in the electronic waste that we have to manage. So what should be the strategy is there should be certain centers where we should deposit these kind of waste, where they can easily reuse and recycle them. Secondly, there are other waste that we also produce in our day to day life, the household waste. Those waste should be reduced in their quantity, and then we can either put them in the landfills, or we can we can just manage that waste in other ways also. So what is important for all of us to understand right now is, if we are not going to reduce the production of the waste for us, it will become a problem for the future generation. So what is important, we all have to understand, we have to understand this thing, that waste is not simply a waste. It could be a source of energy, right? It could be a scope of giving employment to many other individuals. Like, say, for example, when you are setting up an industry which is going to manage the waste, just imagine how much employment you are going to give to the citizens of that country, right? So, whenever we are having the waste, we have to manage the waste at our own level as well as at the national level. We should I would say we should appreciate the steps that are taken by the government of a country to reduce the waste production uh, in that particular area, right? So now I'm giving you one Google form link. Please go through that Google form, fill the Google form, look into all the I would say all the options that are given inside it carefully, and then fill it. All the fields which are mandatory, please look them very carefully. Please open your Google form. This is your Google form. The field name of the student and class is mandatory, and all the questions are also mandatory. Whether the questions are subjective or objective, right? You have to do it. You're free to write down your views in the subjective questions. So I hope from the video and from the Google form, you all are able to understand the importance of managing the waste, and you all are well aware now of the 3R policy, that is reduce, reuse, and recycle. And we have to understand the importance of reducing the production of the waste, and if a waste is produced, then how we have to manage that waste. Right? Thank you, all of you.